Welcome back to a very, very exciting film vlog. This is my spring break trip for my junior year of college at USC. This is a crazy trip. We ended up in 5 cities because of different layovers. We're starting off in Barcelona, but first we had to stop in Germany for a layover. We're in Germany and we got pretzels. We made it in. Going to the balcony. Bedroom. Another bedroom. I could stand out here forever. I'm just like, it's so cute. For my room. It's 5 and I slept a total of maybe 5 hours, so maybe we'll nap, need to shower, and waiting for everyone else to come. So I'm so excited. That was the longest day of traveling ever. Just showered and got ready. This is the outfit for now. We have no plans currently. Everyone is coming in from different places, so we're just waiting for all of them to come. I might walk around and get food because I need like fruit or something fresh because I've just been eating airport food. Also, still need to buy a leather jacket. Planning on going to Zara and I'm very excited about it. Very chaotic, changed, and well, let me go back. We had dinner, we walked to this place, this tapas place, couldn't tell you where. Now we're getting ready to go out, and I'm waiting for Izzy and Julia to come. They're in their Uber. What else? Oh, haven't taken any disposable pictures yet, but I'm gonna open my camera. Classic. This goes in the bag. There we go. Also, we went to Zara today because we needed to pick up something. Let me show you what I got. Okay, technically, this is my 3rd of this jacket because I bought one online that came but was never delivered, so I have to like contest that and like get my money back. Second one I bought in store at the Zara at the Grove, but I bought an XL because it was the only one they had and the sleeves were way too long, and I figured I'd be able to find it here, so I got it in my size. It's perfect. I feel like this jacket is all over TikTok and I'm scared that everyone's gonna have it, but I love it. I also don't have a jacket like this color, a little cropped, can go over everything. Good morning. It's 2 p.m. and we're just starting our day. I needed to sleep and I don't think I got any, so that's fun. But I think we're going shopping. Claire, Lena, and Evelyn went to brunch. And then I don't know what we're gonna do, so I'll keep you updated. How's your cinnamon roll?
It's really good.
I wish I could fully explain how crazy it was to see so many people that I knew from home or from college in Barcelona, specifically at this club, which made it really fun, but I just did not expect to see so many people who are studying abroad and who are just on spring break also. So the next morning, we also woke up at 2 p.m. and decided to go to McDonald's, and it happened to be right outside of La Sagrada Familia, so we made that a stop for our afternoon and bought tickets to go inside. This is the coolest touristy thing I've ever done. It was the most insane building ever, and just so beautiful. We're going to the bunkers. Yes.
Izzy has snacks.
Izzy has Oreos for the bunkers. This alleged frat party bunker situation. The bunkers was this lookout spot that I think everyone who study abroad goes to, which is why it felt like I knew everyone there. And it was so beautiful, but just so crazy and so packed.
Right.
3, 2, 1. Good morning. It is our last morning here, and I think this is the earliest we've woken up because everything starts so late here, but we just pack up the Airbnb, get ready to go to London. Sitting on this balcony, it's so nice out here. This way. After a long day of delays, everyone's laughing at me because I'm vlogging in public. Good morning, full day 1 in London. I'm trying to figure out what to wear because it's like 40 degrees and raining, but this is the Airbnb, it's kind of a mess. Also, I have to show you what I got at Harrods yesterday. Evelyn's first time at the Palace. Sushi dog got demolished. I know, I forgot to take a video, but we just had sushi dog and it was so good. It was really good. I will insert images. It's so windy. Going to Notting Hill and Kensington Palace, and where else? Is that it? Mayfair? Oh yeah, Mayfair. And I also want to go to Selfridges, but we're getting breakfast. I'm also ill, I think.
Yeah.
My voice is like
yeah,
a
you
little.
sound a little ill.
It's fine. We made it to Dublin after a long day. I'm standing in this random alleyway because I'm scared to vlog in public, but I just picked up like a headband to wear tomorrow, and we're just walking around the city with Hannah and Evelyn. Hannah is Evelyn's friend from home, and Evelyn, you know, my roommate. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Cute. So that's why I slept. Oh yeah. going to the parade. Happy St. Patty's Day! Happy St. Patrick's Day.
This was our first stop. Yeah. You put your nose, you pie, you sniff, then you open your mouth, you take a gulp, and you close it in your mouth for 3 seconds. You cannot just take the phone, you need the beer. And then that's the taste. Because the beer is just nitrogen, so it just tastes good.
Good knowledge.
I honestly liked it. I liked it too. Like, how am I supposed to my uncle?
One last photo. Hey, ready? It's 4:45, and I finally finished my first roll on this camera.
Is this the first roll of the trip?
First roll of the trip. I brought another one out today because I had a feeling we'd finish this. I just need a key to pop this out so I can just hold the roll of film and not carry around this entire film camera in my bag. Because my bag's already heavy to begin with.
The girlies are all wearing the same sweater.
Yes, Evelyn's wearing this sweater that everyone
I
has.
just saw 3 women wearing it. Sorry, I'm interrupting the vlog.
Anyways, happy St. Patrick's Day. It's been a long day. Also, I'm vlogging in public with absolutely no shape. And it's kind of funny. We have seen so many people that we recognize on this trip. I'll update you later. Goodbye.